Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sew up the button, as you can see. And this part right here is a little bit tough to pull out, which is great. It's magnetic. So I thought this would be fantastic, and I've been seeing these on Winners. I saw them at Winners, Marshalls, and here's the button I bought from Temu. So total of 5. Aren't these gorgeous? Thank you, they look nice. And then I bought these from Amazon, but I couldn't find the same color on Temu, which I bought different colors on Temu, which is way like I paid. Well, when you round it up with the GST and stuff, it comes to $20. And my nails are too short to pull these apart. Here we go. See, this part is magnetic, and it just grabs it. So love it, love it, love it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to sew it up. First, we're going to sew the button, and then we're going to sew the... Oh, don't get close. And I went into my sewing threads, and I find the similar color. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to get a marker, and you need to put the marker on the 2 edges of the button band area. Okay, let me just pull this. So what I did is I removed the button. I removed the marker. So I had markers on both sides. So it has to be from marked here, like hold on, and here, so we won't have one short and one long. Okay, and it has to be the same length. Okay, so when you do the button, so I put a marker where I'm going to put my button, and this is my marker. So I am automatically going to put my button, which is right here in the middle, as I did, and then going to remove this. Okay, and I'm gonna push that there, and then from the button, if you don't know how to sew, this is the easiest way. So I grab the fabric that I have crocheted, okay, and I'm gonna do double strand of the thread. So I am going to pull, and then in between, because the knot is right there, I'm going to have my needle go through, and I am going to secure this. Okay, just like this. And I'm going to do this a couple of times. Okay, it's right here. Oh, let me just pull this. It's right here. I'm grabbing this hoop, this loop, this whichever you call this, and then stuck it right there. And I do it just a couple of times, not too many. So try. I'll just twist it a bit. Let's fix that. Okay, so I already did twice. So this is what I'm doing basically. And this is the 3rd time. Just do it a couple of times. You don't have to do it 100 times. And then what I do is, okay, I grab the wrong side of the needle and then I go between like this. This is all I do. And I pull it, and I do this a couple of times again. 2, 3. Okay, and I make a knot. And then I make a knot like this. And I do not break the thread because I need to sew up. Just show you. Okay, so this part is done. Okay, right on the, not the magnetic, but the other side, I'm going, because the magnetic is going to click on here. So what I do is, let me just hold this right in the middle. So what I do is I put this right here. Okay. I don't want it to go through the fabric, so just push it a little bit. And my thread is here. So automatically I grab this one. Those two holes that you see, this is what I do. Just go back and forth, back and forth. I don't know, not too many times, but yeah, you know, just to secure it. Gets tangled here. So this is all I do. So I go grab it like this. See? It's nicely secured. Let me do it one more time. Okay, and then I come here. So I come right here and I'm going to jump. So what I do is I put my needle and I come here. And then I poke my needle right here. Just like this. And then I repeat what I just did on the other one. The first one that I just did. This is what I do. You can sew it differently, the way that you want. Like on these first ones, I I did it this way, just to show you. Can't even see it. See, this is how I did it. You can do it this way as well. Let me just show you this one, and I'll show you the other one. Whichever you like to do it, just to secure this. Okay, let me just jump to the other one. Okay, so I poke. I come right here. And so you can make it like this. But this time you need to go like this here. So one bottom, one up, one bottom, one up. You can make it like, you can sew it like this as well. Whichever you like to do it, whichever looks nicer. The previous one I made it this way. Just wanted to show you different ways you can sew it up. And this is all to it. So I hope you like this video, but I have to show you to do the other side, right? It's not the end yet. I just skipped, sorry. Oh my goodness, I thought I was doing the second part. No. So I'm just going to go back and forth. And then what I do is with the needle, I pull the thread inside. So I move it underneath and pull my needle just like this, and I thread it, and I come here and I repeat. So this is going to be the last one. So I poke my needle on from the front. Yeah, try to have the same color of your thread to be the same color so it won't be noticeable, but I have the button underneath. It's not noticeable at all. So I do this a couple of times. 3-4 times is enough. Just like this, and I come back in, and then I tie it with a knot, secure it. I usually use the back of the needle. It helps a bit to go through, just like this, and then I make a knot, so I secure it. Just like this, and I cut my thread. So I'm going to repeat that on the other side of this magnet. Okay, making my knot. So this is the magnet. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, to do that, oops, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to close this. And then, so I'm gonna, when I close it, it will look like this. So I will put the magnet right here. So it has to be, this has to go in the middle. I don't want to close it or else I'm gonna have a hard time opening it. My nails are too short, especially these two. Breaks easily. Okay, so I hold it like this and I repeat it. So the knot is on at the, either you can make it like this, sew it like this, the way I showed you, or you can go and sew it from the inside of the two holes. Okay, so I poke my needle and I jump and I go in here and here's the other way. Two, three. And four, and then I will move it to the next one here. Just like this. Like I said, you can sew it whichever you like to do. It comes to the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to poke my needle right in there again, and then sew this last part, this last one right here. ta-da, it's done. So I will go, oh, went through the picot here. Oh, that's okay. So I'm going to go through again. And then with the back of the needle, this is the easiest way. And then tie it. The reason I'm doing the back of the needle because it's pokey. I don't want to poke between the yarn. It's easy to poke. And so sometimes I use the back of the needle. So that kind of helps me. Okay, so I'm tying this a couple of times. And then I am done. So I will cross and I will cut the thread. Yeah, I bought 5 buttons and 5 of these magnets. So yeah, I think this is way better. First I thought I wanted open and I thought no, it would be nice to if they want to close it, because I'm going to put this on my Etsy shop. It's going to be for sale. So click it right in the middle like this. Oops. Here we go. So it goes in. See, it's nice. And I am done. So I hope you liked this video. My handle fell. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. See, this isn't covered, so I need to push it in the middle. Yeah, forget to do that. So it will be nice and, yeah, closed. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Before I let you go, I'm going to put this on the mannequin and then let you see how it looks. So just one moment. Okay, this is how it looks like. And when I button it up, click, click. 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 Oh my goodness, doesn't this look nice? Oh wow. Just love it, love it, love it. I don't want to step on the cords here. Yeah, so I'm going to let you go. I love it. So this is a medium-sized mannequin. Oh, see, you have to be careful to click it. See? I blocked this. Oh, yeah, this is definitely small. Oh, it was supposed to be for me, but unfortunately it doesn't fit me. Yeah, this would fit, I would say small, medium, large, comfortably.